We all know that there's a challenge with packaging and keeping it from becoming problematic waste. But are we doing a very good job at recycling and reusing our packaging? The Australian Packaging Covenant organisation, APCO, is leading the development of a circular economy for packaging in Australia. Australians use 1.2 million tonnes of plastic packaging per year. That's a really big number.
That much plastic packaging, that's equivalent to covering 620 footy fields in plastic. And unless we put circular solutions in place, it's not going to go anywhere. APCO is a really unique beast. We work between industry and government to drive positive environmental outcomes related to packaging. We have the largest businesses in Australia involved in packaging. So there are a lot of moving parts, and we need to see more innovation, really closing those circular outcomes for plastic.
Industry and government have set ambitious targets that plastic must be reused, recycled or be compostable, and that there must be recycled content in packaging. Currently, we are falling short on all of these targets. But some companies are helping us get closer, like PakTech. Handles are a practical solution. Not only are they made from recycled materials, but they can be recycled over and over. Rob, explain to me, what is a handle?
Laura, a PakTech handle is basically just a lightweight recycled plastic handle that's 100% recyclable, that's utilised to multi-pack beverage cans.
Right, so it literally is a handle to carry around cans of beer.
Yeah, that's right. They're basically easy to transport, really safe, reliable, really good in terms of exposure to refrigeration and moisture content. You can throw these things in an esky and not worry about it ripping and then not being able to transport. It's 100% recycled. These are made to like a really, really tight specification. It's known through the industry to be, the best product that's out there of this kind. And, our customers love them and use them for that reason. They're 100% recycled content. They help to minimise landfill, and they're easy, reliable, and make sure that their product's safe and transportable.
All retailers and brands must manage their packaging. Sourcing locally made packaging that has the ability to be recycled over and over is really important to Mazen Hajjar, the founder and CEO of Hawker's Beer.
Hawker's Beer was founded on the idea of doing the right thing. And that means that we wanted to invest in sustainability. We wanted to do the right thing. By us, by our society, by our locality, by the environment we are in, and passing this on to the next generation. One thing that excites me about packaging is the ability to reuse what would have been waste into the landfill. And all our customers are telling us they want local and they want sustainable, and PakTech for us is part of that sustainability. We have solar panels, we have energy reduction, we have energy capture, and we have PakTech to reuse and reduce our waste. Handles also offer a commercial opportunity in the sense that we are able to multi-pack single units and be able to sell them, retail them as multi-packs, improving our volume sales. And recently, moving their production back down to Australia has meant that we've even lowered further our carbon footprint and made the PakTech product much more sustainable.
Plastic packaging recycling comes with its challenges. An important part of getting circularity right is sourcing the correct waste material for your new product. So where does the plastic actually come from to make these handles?
The short answer is it's recycled content. So all of the milk bottles, dairy containers, those sort of things, it's called HDPE.
HDPE is one of the most widely used plastic materials globally. It's used for milk bottles, detergent bottles, cleaning products, pipes, shipping pallets. It's a really useful material. However, the challenge is in terms of how we successfully recover them. How do we recycle them, separate them, sort them, wash them? So plastic bales arrive at the plant, they are sorted, Then they are washed and cleaned up. We then produce them into little plastic pellets, and those plastic pellets are used to produce packaging handles as well as other packaging products. So the PakTech handles are a really important solution to recycled HDP. We need end markets, and we need to make sure that essentially we're able to close the loop on the packaging that's recovered.
The Australasian Recycling Label Program, known as the ARL, is an on-pack label that helps consumers to recycle correctly. It removes confusion and reduces waste going to landfill.
This is the label. So what's impressive is that you can go from a polyethylene bottle like this and into one of these PakTech handles, 100% recycled content. So as you can see here, the Australasian Recycling Label explains to the customer, helps you understand what to do with the lid, what to do with the label and what to do with the bottle. The bottle goes in the recycling bin, the cap, how to dispose of the cap, milk bottle in the right bin, and it'll actually come back in a second life as a 100% high-density polyethylene PakTech handle.
We want the public to understand recycling is happening. It's taking place right here in Australia. It's creating a number of jobs and very strong environmental outcomes.
There are a lot of challenges, there are a lot of complexities, and we are actually driving a lot of change.
One thing that excites me about packaging is the ability to reuse what would have been waste into the landfill.
We want to find the solution to reuse and recycle plastics right here in Australia.